Hi besties, welcome back. It is officially back to school season. Yes, you heard that correctly. We're going
back to school.
We're right outside Target and we're gonna be looking around what they're releasing this year. What are the good things that you guys need to run to your Target for? I'm so excited to look around and see what they have in store for us. And I have my little helper today.
This is Vivi. How are we?
Are you officially in your senior year of college?
Yeah. Don't remind me, bro. I might start crying.
Let's go into Target and see what back to school vibes are happening this year. Guess where we are? Guess where we are? We're at Target. And today we're gonna be doing our back to school supplies shopping. We're gonna be shopping. Let's get started. First things first, you need a backpack for back to school. Like, where are you gonna be carrying all your stuff in? What are you gonna be bragging about? Having your backpack is like having that schoolyard. It shows who you are. They have so many different options. Growing up, you want to have like the big girl backpack. Once you get to your senior year of high school, you want the little kid ones. So what backpack did you have?
I think my freshman year I had a gray JanSport backpack. Sophomore year I was like, let me switch it up. So then I had a black one. And then senior year I was like, ooh, let me switch it up again. Let me get a burgundy JanSport.
Wow.
Literally just JanSport stuff.
I'm not gonna lie, my college backpack is also my senior year backpack. I have a black Kipling. I love it so much. It's so tiny. Nothing fits in it. Not even my computer, but is it cute? Yeah, it's beautiful. They have a good amount of backpack options. They have these champion ones. This would have went crazy in middle school. They have like plain ones. Look at this little pink one. They have a couple different colors. They have like this really pretty butter yellow. In person it looks so cute. And then this pretty blue. And black. They have like so many different colors. To pick out of all of these, I think I would have definitely picked one of these. Honestly, I'll pick her right up right now. Like, she's so cute and she's only $35. It reminds me of like the North Face ones, but like so much cuter and like simple. They have these cloud material ones, which also have a bunch of different colors. I just don't know if I like love it. These are like $5 more expensive, but the material, like, I don't know, like it does something to me that I don't like. They also have these, if you like more of like a sleek number. These are definitely good options. I really like this black one. And then you can go to your basics, Miss Vivi's favorite ones. They have the typical JanSport one that honestly everybody always had. These are 40 bucks. These are basic, typical, and they do last a good amount of time. Oh my god, are these lunch boxes? This is adorable. Imagine having, like, I definitely would not have taken this. Like, imagine being like the elementary school. I definitely would have. Like, these are really cute. And they have like these with little bows on them if you want to be like simple but coquette. That's cute with the matching backpack. Like, it's like simple, but it has like a little touch. I remember seeing these last year. It's like this corduroy material. They have black and like this gray one. These are definitely cute. Like, if you want something simple but a little bit more exciting, I think these are also good options, but they are the teensy bit more expensive. And then here they have the little kid ones. You have a couple different options. This Hello Kitty one, this one, what is it, Sonic? I don't even remember. Mario, Princess. Oh, I would have definitely gone with Miss Dora if I was doing the senior year backpack thing. Oh my god, it's a Hello Kitty. It comes with headphones and a little lunchbox. This is so cute. And oh my god, and a Hello Kitty water bottle. Like, what more could you ask for 25 bucks? Like, this is literally the perfect kit. This random little one if you want a little bit more simple. That's cool. I feel like that's a really cool kit. We're coming into this section and look at how cute this is. If you have a little tablet, I remember in middle school is when I had a iPad, and then high school they made us have computers. So this is definitely really cute to like have. They have it in different colors. This one's flower and pink, orange stars, this like random little wiggly design. Oh, and they have different little keychains, like little charms. I definitely would have had something like this. This is really cute. They have like a strawberry one. You could add it to literally anything. So I don't know what you would be doing with keys right now, but those are cute. Oh my god, this is definitely more up my alley. They have this like cute textured, I think it's like the corduroy, but it's a light pink. They have little different versions to put all your stuff in here. This is definitely good for school. Oh my god, this would have been the cutest little pouch, I feel like. I think this is literally perfect for school, right? That's cute. Now we're on to the binders. Sorry, I'm such a binder hater. Like, I cannot get behind binders.
I remember I was forced to for like one of my classes, and like I literally like cried.
You had one of these?
Oh no, not those big fat ones, but I did have like a big like chunky one.
Like, imagine Vivi walking around with this, bro. Like,
no, bro, I'm scared.
I think if I were to go for these binders, I usually had these thinner ones like this, and I always had the pink one. I would have definitely had something like that. It's the perfect size. It's literally perfect. Look at that matching. Oh, they also have like these. It's a cute print. It's aesthetic. It's white and pink. What would you do if we had a class and I showed up with this?
I know.
Would you say something to me?
I mean, you do you. I don't know.
See, like, even this one that is the prettiest pink color, I just can't get behind it. I don't
That's a whole freaking freaking handle.
I don't understand. This is a whole briefcase, bro. Like, I don't get it. Oh my god, look at that calculator. Bring that to me right now. That's beautiful. Oh, see, they don't want me to have it. There's a reason I'm bad at math. I am such a big planner girly. I love my planners. This is so cute. I love this. They also have bigger ones that are more like actual notebooks, like these. This is nice. It's really cute too. I feel like this one definitely caught my eye. I think it's so cute. Adding her in right away. These are interesting. I think some people would definitely love these. Slay! I just found this little pen personalized charm set. This is so cute. There's this pink one or purple one. Wait, that's so cute because you could like personalize it, use it for school, but nobody can steal it. Like, that's amazing. I love these pens. This is like literally the most perfect little pack ever. This is so cute. Like, immediately I'm getting these. These pens are usually my favorite, these G2 ones. I really like these, but they literally have pink ones. They also have the same, but in purple. This is the colors of creativity. That's so cute. They have more different ones, like these that are really cute. These, like, look at how... Okay. Oh, thank you. These are so cute. Like, they come with different little prints you can share with your friends. They have a different version of it. That's so cute. Speak your mind.
Andrea said those are the best pens, but these. They're like ballpoint, and then I don't like the pointy ones. Like, those are pointy.
One year when I was back to school shopping, I bought a pack of blue ones and a pack of red ones because I'm like, if anybody asks me for some, like, I can share. Never once did I use them. Never once. No one asked. Here are the little pencil pouches. I think I would go for something like this, like a cute little small one. What is that? Cherry magnets. They have a couple different ones. Me and Vivi were literally talking about these are what we grew up on. I think this one's the cutest one.
That's cute.
Yeah, and it matches our vibe. It matches our vibe. What are these like adhesive patches? Like, are you supposed to like put it on your clothes? Like DIY?
Like maybe like backpack?
Oh, yeah, like you could just... That would be cute.
Just give V. T-U-W? That's insane.
This is such a pretty shade of pink, but like I just don't know if I could get behind the fluffiness. I don't know. This, can someone like come, like those ASMR channels, come and like do ASMR on this? I would eat it up. Are they even like satisfying?
No. I feel like this is very distracting. Like, imagine like you're a teacher and like you're teaching and all you hear is...
Wait, this is cute. Wait, I kind of like this. It has little stars. They have it in purple, and then they have it in green and black. This one's really cute too. Like, I don't think I would get it now, but these are cute like options. Imagine me pulling up and this is my pencil pouch. Honestly, I love it. There's more little patches and stuff. They have like a basketball. They have a little plane, this, and there's so many more pencil pouches. This is cute. It's like a good size. It's a pretty pink, and they have different colors. I like that they're actually putting different colors because sometimes they have something really cute, but it's like only in yellow. I would definitely get something like this, and I really like this brand for school supplies. It's really nice. I didn't even notice this like animal print one. This is cool. Out of all of these, which do you think you would pick?
Probably this one, honestly.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
These are just, it goes back to the staples, but they work. Like, they do work. They get the job done. This one's also like cute. I can't tell which one I like better. I love getting Post-its, and these pink ones, they always come in handy, even if it's not specifically for school. They also have little packs. I think I'm just gonna get these pink ones because I love pink, and just making your notes or your books or whatever all pretty is like beautiful. These are so cute, and they're literally $3 for these beautiful little scissors. I love these. They have like different little checkered ones, this weird design. I like these big ones. Those are the ones that get the job done. I remember one year I actually bought these. They were not the best. Like, they're super cute because they're glittery and pink, but they literally cut nothing. They have different rulers. Look at this. Give me your wrist.
Aww.
Perfect. They also have like
a ruler too? Oh,
yeah.
It is.
Yeah, they have puppet rulers. They have like the normal ones. These are like the ones I had. And they have like a bunch of little designs. This is cool. I think I would definitely get one like this. Realistically, you should be getting something like this. Oh, they have this little $2 section that has like patches and just fun things for school. Definitely buy something like this. Like, this is so fun. They have like different little things you could use. Like, this would be cute just for your notes. Like, it's a little watermelon. These are cute. This is so cute. Cherry, proud of you. They have a little Barbie mini journal. I would get stuff like this, I'm not gonna lie, when I was younger. Oh my god, I would have died for this. This is so cool. My teacher would have definitely had to take this away from me. I always liked getting like packs because even though I wanted always pink, sometimes teachers would be like, no, you need a yellow highlighter. So getting like a pack like this or this is always good. I think this one is like a perfect one. They definitely have like a lot of different versions. Like this, I've definitely had these before. I've had the Sharpie ones, which are really good. These are cute. Hey, these are so cute. I love these. These are the aesthetic girls. This is really cute. This is perfect. But realistically, these are the way to go. We're here at the folders. They have cute little Barbie ones, fun ones. As much as I love ones like these, because like look at the print, it's just like it doesn't help. You can't put it in your binder or anything, so I don't love that. I'd rather have the ones like with the holes. But look at these. These are so cute.
Look on the side. They're like clear.
Wait, that's so cute. Did you ever have these?
I had like the food erasers, like you know, like the grapes, the fries, the watermelon.
Oh, you were. I was jealous of you. Yeah. You were one of the people I was jealous of. You were on my rob list.
Story time, I actually did get robbed from my erasers. Me at 10 years old, I confronted this girl. I literally told her, because I knew it was her, like 100%. If you don't give them back to me, I'm gonna tell you on the principal. They magically appeared in my backpack again.
If I had a damn locker, I would be, like, I would get this. I would get a rug. I would get these flower magnets. Like, these are all so cute. Yes, I wish we had lockers. This would have all been so cute. Like, locker wallpaper. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like, imagine middle of the day, you're just like, that's beautiful. Oh my god, aren't these like the really popular ones right now? Are they?
Yeah, Wallace.
That's so cute. This one's cute. I like this color. I have a bunch of different water bottles. I recommend taking a water bottle to school. That's very important to stay hydrated. I literally got these from Amazon, but they have them here too. To put them like on top so like no bugs or anything gets on your water. But look at this one. These are so cute. I would definitely get like a water bottle like this. This is so cute. It's sleek and it fits in your backpack. Or like this. I think this is cuter because it's small, but like, you're staying hydrated. Look at this one. The reusable snack bag. This is cool. I wish I would have had this. Oh my god, this one. I would have been that girl with this. It's pink and then it has cheetah with like my little chips in there. That would have been so cute. Look, these are all the essentials, girls. I feel like this is a realistic shopping where you have everything you need. I'm missing pencils, but I literally could not find them. These were my favorite pencils. This pack right here I think is perfect, beautiful, and amazing. Immediately add to cart. Wait, this is a cute pack.
I know, that's what I'm saying, the special edition.
Wait, actually, I think I might switch that out. Okay guys, we're officially done back to school shopping, and I did it as realistically as I could what I would actually get, and I kept a pink theme because I'm a pink girly. But these are all the things that I think I would get for back to school. Honestly, like they have so much cuter stuff. I think I would always struggle finding like stuff that were really me. They always had some weird design on them, but like right now it's like very, very aesthetic. I am so happy to start this series back up. I will be doing back to school makeup, back to school advice. There's so much coming, so subscribe and like this video if you want to become officially a bestie, and stay tuned every Friday when I post. Every Friday or Monday. Every Friday or Monday. Okay besties, we're officially done. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you guys would love a giveaway, because I did not actually buy anything for myself today. It was more to see what they had, give you guys an idea. But if you guys give this video some love, that will definitely tell me if I should come back and do like a school supply shopping haul and then do the giveaway within that video. I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.
Oh, back to school. Back to school. To prove to Dad that I'm not a fool. Oh, back to school, back to school, back to school.